Okay, Joe, welcome again to this training videos. Within these training videos, I want to show us like how to recover our account, our WhatsApp account when you have something like this. And I have not validated the terms and conditions of the WhatsApp. So the thing there is just that I was still in this chatting with someone, and then this now. So here is the account. So now as this message pop up, I was like, wow, this same thing happens to about my three numbers. Although I was thinking that maybe maybe the issues was I used the number to run an advert directly from Facebook to WhatsApp. But so the next thing that you need to do now is, if you have something like this account can no longer use WhatsApp chat are still on this device. So what you need to do now, I want to take us through a simple step that we can take, and the appealing message, the short appealing message that I will send to them, just to check if they will if they will give us, if they will give me back my account. So that is just the thing. So what you need to do from here now, move to my Chrome browser. So that is just the first process. So when I get to my Chrome browser now, I'll come and type for whatsapp.com. So have you seen? So I'll load it. So after I have loaded it, the surface will be opening like this. So please, you just need to follow me closely, because I don't really know if this will work, but I really know that it will work. I have the feelings that this will work. So the next thing that we are going to do is just for us to scroll down. Then you come to this surface. Have you seen this WhatsApp, this place now? Then you, after you have come there, you come to this contact us. Then I will need to click on this contact us. Then after that, the process now will open like this. Have you see contact WhatsApp Messenger support for all question related to WhatsApp Messenger, contact us. So this is for WhatsApp business support. For all questions related to WhatsApp business app, contact us. So what we are going to go for is this WhatsApp Messenger. So I'll need to click on this contact us here. So I'll need to click on it. So after I've clicked on it, have you see they say contact WhatsApp Messenger. To better assist you, contact us from your phone by opening WhatsApp settings app and contact us, all this stuff. So what you need to do is, you can also visit our help center for additional information. So let us know how you use WhatsApp by providing the necessary information below. Then tap or click send question to contact us. So this is just the process. So the next thing that the thing that we are going to do now, I will need to go and took a screenshot of this surface now. I really need to go and take the screenshot of this surface. So all right, I have screenshot here. So we need to go to our Chrome again. So the next thing there is, you need to choose your phone numbers. For me, I'm a Nigerian. I'll need to come to my country code. I'll need to put my country code. All right, then put the number that got banned. So here is the number. It is 519589. So here is the number. Then I will need to put my email address, which I would like WhatsApp to contact me through it, and this is the same email address that was in this WhatsApp account. So I will need to confirm the email address. So I've confirmed the email address. How do you use WhatsApp? I will need to tick this Android. If you are using iPhone, you can tick iPhone. Then if you are using web and desktop, you can go ahead to choose it. But as for me, I'm making use of an Android phone. So the next step there is that I'll need to come to please enter your message. Now I'll need to write a short appealing message to them, because I haven't validated the terms and condition of the WhatsApp. So for me, you just need to follow me closely. All right, dear WhatsApp support teams, All right, what I'll need to do now, I'll need to pause the video because I don't want the video to be too long. So when I finish write the short appealing message, then I will resume, like I'll start the video back. So I'll need to pause the video for now. Okay, so this is just the process. I have put down the appealing message to them. So what the next thing that we need to do is I'll need to remove this. It is with deeply, so I choose to send this message because nothing deeply is happening. So I don't want to send something that WhatsApp will be like, what is this one saying? Because they are doing everything according to their terms and privacy that govern the WhatsApp. So this, I don't think this is necessary, so I will need to delete it. Dear WhatsApp support teams, please, my WhatsApp account got banned this morning while I was on a chat with someone and I have not validated the terms and conditions of the WhatsApp. I keep to the privacy policy that governed the WhatsApp. Please, I need my account to be unbanned. I will be waiting patiently to hear from you. Thanks. Then I put in my name, then my email and my phone number. So the next step that I'll need to take is I'll need to click on this next step now. So I'll need to click there. Have you see? So the next thing there is I'll need to choose. Okay, they will ask you to choose an articles, which is, do any of these articles help? Like the first one is information for law enforcement authorities about WhatsApp and elections, how to delete your accounts, how to stay safe on WhatsApp, about reporting and blogging someone on WhatsApp. We are updating our terms of service, UK business user, answering your questions about WhatsApp, January 2021 privacy policy update. We update our terms of service and privacy policies on January 20. How to block a group admin, build privacy safe and secure WhatsApp channel. So as for me, all these are really good, but the one that we are going to go for, I haven't discovered it yet, but I'll still need to think about it. So do the articles answer your question? If not, you can tap or click send questions to contact us. So have you seen? Okay, we need to tap on this send questions. So click on this send questions. So have you see, your question has been sent. Time for contacting us. We will get back to you by email. It may take up to 3 business days. So all right guys, I will still need to resume when I have finally hear their report. So I've just received an email now from WhatsApp. So what I'll need to do, I'll need to click on the email and then check. Thanks for contacting us. We understand that you would like to appeal to the ban on your WhatsApp account. Requesting a review is no longer possible by email, but you can make your appeal on the WhatsApp app. What to do next? Make sure you are using the official WhatsApp app. If you hasn't downloaded any, then click the link to download from the official source. Open the app on your phone using the account that is banned and tap request a review. Add the tools to support your case and tap submit. So this is just the thing. I'll still need to copy this so that I can appeal to them. Have you seen? This is what they are trying to, they said that we need to download the main WhatsApp. I'll need to click there and then I'll need to check download. Okay, I'll need to update the account, the WhatsApp. So in case you have received the same email like this, so this is just the step that you need to follow. You need to update your WhatsApp to the new version of the WhatsApp so that you can follow up and do what they ask you to do. So that is just the thing. All right, I'll need to click here to open it. I need to click here now to open it. Need to open it. So have you seen? So after I have opened it, have you seen? So the next step that I'll need to do now is just for us to check if the account has been unbanned. I'll need to click on agree and continue. After I click on the agree and continue, then I'll need to put my phone number, which is the number that has been banned, 26 51 95 89. Then I'll need to click on next. All right, I'll need to put the SIM card first so that when the codes come, I can receive the code from them. So you just need to exercise patience. I will play the video back when I'm done. Right, I'll need to wait for the code to come. I've put the SIM card here in the small phone that I have here. So I'll need to wait for the message or the code to come. I'll need to click on next. After clicking on next, WhatsApp support will review your account and device info to check the activities does not follow the terms. Add any details you want to include in your review optional. Okay, I'll need to paste and copy this. Have you seen? I've pasted what I've copied. This was the same message that I sent to them, so I'll need to submit it. So I've submitted it. Your request has been submitted. Review typically take 24 hours. We will notify you in WhatsApp chat. Chat are still on this device. So alright, we'll still need to wait for them. So that's just the thing. So alright, welcome again. Now the process is just that I want to check if they have restored the account again, because it seems like something like that is happening. Let me check if I will receive any email. Okay, have you seen? Now this your account has been restored. Have you seen? Our system flagged your account accidentally. Have you seen? We apologize for this. Chat can be accessed after your verification. So this is just to tell you that the process that we follow works. So this is just the simplest way on how you can chat WhatsApp if WhatsApp has banned your account. Like, that is just the simplest appeal message that you need to send for them to reactivate your account back. So now let's try to get our account back. Verify account. I will need to click on verify. Then I will need to agree and continue again. Then I will need to put my number, the number that got banned, 2651 9589. So this is the number. Then I'll click on next. After I've clicked on next, there was maybe let's wait. Yes, they said, is this the correct number? Yes, WhatsApp. You see? Okay, let's wait for their code. Let's wait for them to send a code. Have you seen? The code has entered and my account has been verified successfully. So this is just the simplest way on how you can get your account back once you receive such messages from WhatsApp that your account has been banned. So that is just the simplest way. Have you seen? All right, I'll need to skip this. It's still there. Have you seen? This is the email. Yes, this is the email. I still need my email back. I don't want them to remove the emails. So have you seen? Here is the account. So thank you guys for watching this video. The aim of this video was to show you how you can get your WhatsApp account back. So this is just the simplest process. Thank you guys for staying through the end of this video.